Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna mukbang again. We're gonna eat Cuckoo fried chicken and it's my first time. I'm excited. And there's also a lot of option and you can also find it in Grab Food. We got the chicken tenders. There's a lot of chicken. Now, let's get the food. Yeah! The chicken is here. Let's open. Here is our number one box of food. I cannot see. Guys, this is the bunless chicken sandwich. Ooh. It's so big, but it's just sliced in half. And next, this is the chicken tenders with some ranch. And this one is the spicy chicken tenders with some spicy mayo. And next, this is the chicken a la king. And this is the fries. The fries and cheese. And this, okay, we already showed that one. Now, let's eat. Guys, I forgot the a la king sauce and the corn. Buttered corn, to be exact. I'm so excited to eat! Guys, we're going to try the chicken tenders dipped in the ranch. And then, oh no, the ones that are small. Yeah, this one. This one is the smallest. It looks so good. It's really good. Oh, very crunchy. I'm gonna finish this. I'm going to finish this and then next we're gonna try the spicy chicken tenders and the spicy mayo. I mean, I have tried like spicy food. I have tried in one spicy mukbang. The one versus with Kuya Atan. So probably it wouldn't taste that spicy because I also eat sriracha. Very good. Guys, we're going to dip the Cajun chicken tenders in the spicy mayo. Spicy and dipped in spicy. Oh God. It's also good. I need water. I'm going to burn myself. My tongue is burning inside. Oh, it's spicy. That it wouldn't be, but it's actually really spicy. Guys, hindi ko to kaya. Pero if merong yun yung hindi ko kaya. But if it's only the chicken, I can eat it. Guys, we're going to try the chicken a la king with the a la king sauce. Gonna try a little bit. Now let's try the real a la king chicken. It's also very good. The rice. Now let's try the chicken. And it's also very crispy. I don't know how I can eat this, but I will just hold it. Oh. It's very good. It's very, very good. And then, guys, this was really good. The chicken a la king and the sauce. Guys, this is the bunless chicken burger. It has bacon, egg, and of course, chicken. Let's try. Oh, it's big. I can fit it in my mouth. It's really good too. The egg and the bacon also taste good. This one, the chicken burger, it was really good. I would highly recommend Cuckoo fried chicken. Guys, now we're going to rate this the spicy chicken 5, but with the sauce only 2 because it's too spicy. The normal chicken tenders 7, a good 7. This one also 7. This one is gonna be a 9, and my very favorite is the chicken burger. It has no oh no. My favorite is the chicken burger. It is a 10 out of 10. Bye guys, I would highly recommend. Buy it now. Like and subscribe and click the bell. Bye bye.